Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up a button on System.io. This is a fundamental skill that will help you create more engaging sales, funnels, and landing pages that convert visitors into customers. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open your web browser and head over to System.io. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can access all of System.io's features. Now look up at the top toolbar and navigate to Sites. Then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Funnels. This will bring up a list of all the funnels you've created in your account. From here, click on the specific funnel where you want to add your button. This action will open up that funnel's overview page. In the right panel, you'll see an option labeled Edit Page. Click on it to open the page editor. This is where the real customization begins, and you'll be able to design your button exactly how you want it. Once the editor loads, navigate to the left panel. Here you'll find various elements you can add to your page. Drag the button form element directly onto your editor canvas. This places a default button on your page that you can now customize to match your brand and goals. Click on the button you just added. This will activate the customization options in the left panel, giving you full control over how your button looks and functions. In the left panel, navigate to Alignment. Here you can select your preferred positioning options such as left, center, or right. This determines where your button sits on the page and helps with the overall layout design. Next, navigate to Size and Position. You can adjust the padding and margin by clicking the up and down buttons beside each field. These small adjustments make a big difference in how your button fits within the surrounding content and white space. Now navigate to Typography. This is where you'll rename the button text. For example, you might change it to "Check this out" or any call to action that suits your funnel's purpose. Clear, compelling button text is crucial for getting clicks. While you're in the typography section, adjust the font size and line height by using the slider from left to right. Move it slowly until the text looks balanced and readable. You can also customize the subtext if you want to add additional context, or you can simply delete it if it's not necessary for your design. Next, navigate to Color. Click the color picker beside Background Color, then choose your preferred background color from the palette. This color should align with your brand or stand out enough to draw attention. After that, navigate to Text Color and click the color picker to select your preferred text color. Make sure there's enough contrast between the text and background so the button remains easy to read. Finally, in the upper right corner of the editor, click Save. This will apply all your changes and ensure your button is live on your funnel page. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and customized a button on System.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.